Hello friends, welcome to my channel Health Info Tag. In this video, we know about the cancer. What is a cancer? First of all, we will see the definition of cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, cancer is a disease characterized by an uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. Means group of disease is characterized by uncontrollable growth and spread of abnormal cell which is not controlled. Cancer consists more than 100 different types of disease. Cancer can rise in many sites and behave differently depending on its organ of origin. Means cancer is rise on any sites and behave or the any part of the organ. From the organ which is originated, then it is spread to the other parts or their related means the nearby cells. Cancer is an abnormal continuous multiplying of cells. Means in the cancer it is abnormal and the continuous multiplying of cells. Means the cell multiplication is a continuous. It is not controllable in the amount of. The cell division is uncontrollable and the grow to the nearest tissues, mean the nearby tissues will affect easily, and the spread to the distant parts, mean the different parts of the body also. A mass of cancer cells eventually become larger enough to produce lump masses or tumors that can be detected. Means the mass of cancer enough to produce the lumps, mean puffiness means the swelling, masses means the hormonal change or immune reaction is occur, and that is easily detected, means the tumor due to that easily detected, and it helps to detection. Cancer is of two types. First is benign, second is malignant. In the benign, it is not cancerous, it is not spread, and it can eventually become a malignant in some cases. Means it is a primary stage. Means we find in the earlier stage, then it can be treated easily, and so that is not spread to the in a secondary stage. But in malignant, it is a cancerous and it is potential to spread to the other parts of body. Means it is in secondary stage and it can spread to the other parts of the body also. Now we will see the etiology. In the etiology, there are genetic factors. In that, mutation, translocation, and amplification are there. In the environmental factors, UV rays, chemicals, and the viral infection are there that are the causes of the cancer. Cancer is occur to the 13 different parts of the body. In that, first is meningioma, means cancer in the tissues. The second one is adenocarcinoma of the esophagus. Third is multiple myeloma, means cancer of blood vessels. Fourth is a cancer of kidney. Fifth, in the uterus. Sixth, in the ovaries. Seventh is a thyroid. Eighth is a breast, means breast cancer. Ninth is a liver. 10th in the gallbladder. 11th is in upper stomach. 12th one is in pancreas, and the last and final is a colon and a rectum. Now we will see the signs and symptoms of cancer, means the clinical manifestation. In that, first is excess weight loss. The patient loses excess amount of weight. In the second, there is a continuous fever and the cough is present in the patient. In the third one, there is a additional head pain is there. In the fourth one, the swelling and lump is formed under the skin. In the fifth one, there is a unusual bleeding. In the sixth one, there is a changes in skin. Changes in skin due to uncontrolled growth of cells, means the uncontrolled growth of cells is occur, and due to that the patient's skin's shape and sizes changes. And the last one is patient get quickly tired and the depressed. That are the signs and symptoms of cancer. Now we will see the cancer metastasis, means if the cancer is occurred to the following that parts of the body, which signs and symptoms are shown by our body. The first is brain. If the cancer is occurred to the brain, then there is a headache, seizures and vertigo is occur. Seizures mean akdi. Vertigo is also there. If there is a cancer is related to respiratory, there is a cough, dyspnea and hemoptysis is there. If cancer is related to lymph nodes, then lymphadenopathy is occur. If cancer is present to the liver, the jaundice is occur. If cancer is related to skeleton system, then is a pain, fracture and spinal cord compression is occur. That are the some cancer metastases are there. Now we will see the pathophysiology of cancer. If the growth of cells is uncontrollable amount, means it is not controlled by the body, then it is goes to the first stage of cancer. Then it is a production of metalloproteinase, means the production of catalytic enzymes which increases or fastens the activity. Then the invasion of nearby tissue by tumor cell. Then the tumor cell is affected or affects to the nearest tissues. Then the angiogenesis is occur, in that the production of new blood vessels from the pre-existing cells, and in that condition there is a splitting, means the multiplication is occur in that condition is major. And then the metastatus, in that condition the cancer is spread to the other parts of the body, and due to that the development of secondary tumor is occur. There are some methods by doing that we diagnose the cancer. First is radiological diagnosis, second histological diagnosis, third one is histological diagnosis, fourth one is frozen sections, fifth hematological diagnosis, sixth one is immunohistochemistry. Some are there also. By doing that methods or by doing that diagnosis, we know about the cancers. Now we will see the surgical intervention, in that radiation therapy. In the radiation therapy, by doing the radiations different, we do the radiation therapy. The second one is chemotherapy, in that by using drugs we give the chemotherapy to the patient. The third one is gene therapy. The fourth one is stem cell and bone marrow transplant. By doing that also we give the surgical treatment, means the surgical intervention. The fifth one is immunotherapy. This is the surgical interventions are there. The patient which is suffers from the cancer has to include in her diet the turmeric, carrot, grapes, citrus fruit juices like mango, green tea, freshly ground flax seeds, broccoli, cabbage, garlic, onion, spinach, tomato, and the last one is soybean has to include her. तो इसी के साथ हम करते हैं हमारा वीडियो. तो लाइक करो, कमेंट करो on which topic you want to see the next video, शेयर कर दो, and if there is any mistakes in my video, sorry for that. The next time the improvement is there, तो कमेंट करो on which you want to improvement, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.